So when we're dealing with multiplication in our question, we do the opposite operation. We divide. Okay, multiplication to division. If we're dealing with division, what are we going to do? Yeah. So Sylvie and Murray earn money delivering groceries. Last weekend, Murray earned $29. This was 1/3 of the amount that Sylvie earned. How much money did Sylvie earn? What's our unknown? Yeah.
How much Sylvie earned?
Good. So Sylvie, let's not do S because S looks a lot like 5. Let's do E. Okay? Sylvie earned some amount of money. What do we know? Yeah.
The money she earned is 1/3 of $29.
So if we take the money she earned and divide it by 3, it will equal the amount that Murray earned. This, by the way, is example 3. Again, opposite operation. What are we going to multiply both sides by? Yes? 3. If we're dividing by 3, we want to isolate the variable. So we multiply by 3 on this side. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. You multiply by 3 on this side. 3 divided by 3 cancels each other out, so we've got E on one side. 29 divided by 3.
Oh, I know this. I don't know what it is, but I know it.
Mental math says what's the closest we can get to 29 without going over in multiples of 3?
7 times
Yeah.
7 or 9 times 3. No, 7.
Okay.
7 over.
9 times 3 is what?
27.
Is 27 less than 29?
Yeah.
Okay,
but
so
7 times 3 is 28. That's
7 times 3 is 21. 4 times 7 is 28.
I knew that.
So now we've got 2 left over. Okay? If we take 2 and we divide it by 3, what are we going to end up with? Three doesn't go into 2, we know that. Otherwise, it would have been included in this. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 6, which leaves us with 18. 2. What's that tell us?
Repeating.
It's a repeating decimal, so it's going to be 6. So it's 9.6 repeating. But what's interesting about what we're doing right now? What unit are we dealing with?
Not decimals.
Decimals isn't a unit.
I said not decimals.
Then you were right, yes. Also not a unit. Units are things like meters, seconds, or, yes, dollars. And we don't have repeating decimals in dollars. So how much, you know what? I messed up. And none of you guys caught it. You guys are usually pretty good about catching it when I...
And I was erasing it with this eraser.
Nope. What's the problem? What did I mess up on? I didn't mess up on everything. I did mess up, however, on this. That's not divided by 3, it's multiplied by 3. What's 29 times 3? Do you know how I figured it out? Logic. Because as I'm writing this down, it doesn't make sense that 3 times 29 is $9.67. Doesn't make sense at all. She earned more money than Murray did, not less. So I realized I did the wrong operation. Okay, what's 29 times 3? 87. So E actually equals $87. How do we know? What do we do to verify our solution?
Divide 87 by 3.
We put it back into our equation. 29 equals 87 divided by 3. This is what it should equal. So if I take 87, see now this is where that whole dividing by 3 thing is important. If I take 87 and divide it by 3, how many times does 3 go into 8? Twice, which is 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2, so short division because I'm lazy. 27, 3 goes into 27 how many times?
9 times.
9 times. 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is not 29. 27, which means that I have got the correct answer. So that means that E does equal 87. Do I stop here?
No.
What do I need to do? Yeah. Write the sentence. What's my sentence?
E or Carly or Sylvia.
Sylvie
Oh. That's my O.
earned $87. $87. You can write the last weekend. I am not going to mind if you don't write last weekend. Do you have any questions? Okay. Key ideas, communicate the ideas, do tomorrow, practice, do Wednesday. Kick tea. Kick tea. And apply and extend are due on Thursday.
Go.